Hello everyone. In this video, I just want to show how a day goes by in IPL. This video might be boring for people who come to office, but I'm sure who are working from home will have that nostalgic feel of not being in office. So let's get started. So this is our new normal. Wearing a mask, protecting myself and the people around me. And right now I'm in the basement of our car parking. Let me Let me take my bag. And so right now I'm taking a walk from the basement to the first floor. Even though there is lift active, I'm not going to use them because we don't know how many people are using that lift. And there are two other things taking a stairs beneficial for us is like one, we can do a small bit of exercise, and then we can avoid spreading these diseases and even affected by diseases when we try to hold our hand railing. And yes, it is a little tiring to come to third floor, but it is a small exercise that will help you boost your lung capacity, and actually it feels good to make some of the small physical activities, and you'll probably know what are the muscles that you actually have. So if you see, these are the safe markers we are supposed to use in case if we have too many crowd. And this is, oh god, let me catch my breath. In case if there is no one in front of us, I self check myself. I don't know how this works. Yes. Good. Good morning, baby. Say hello to baby in case if you guys are missing her coffee or tea. Let me come to my desk. And this is Shiva. He's already in the process of keeping things clean. Okay, so see guys, this is the office. In case if you have missed it, and there are markers on the floor, so we are only allowed to sit in the place where the markers are. If you guys miss this meeting room where the top secret missions and other projects happen, now it is only just Kiran and Rajesh working on a media project. So they're saying that he's been isolated from the other part of the cabins, and let me take you to the academics team. So if you see this design cabin, you can see this is Sai Kuntia, and right now he is the only person sitting in this entire room. So his desk is there, and as you can see, it is empty. And we miss those times where we have our all hands meeting and other fun activities in this room. So coming to the other part, so if you see this room, Decide has now been a sales room where most of the sales people makes a call, and there are only like 3 to 4 people in this entire room, just making sure that they are maintaining at least 1.5 meter to 2 meter distances. And we run only for like 30% of our employees are here. And as you can see, I will take you to the incubate room. If you see here, incubate is empty now, there is nobody there. And you can see baby is making some coffee for the people who are coming to office, and that is so sweet of her. And we should see, she was still working on us, cleaning stuff, and always keeping our office sanitized. So in case if you guys missed this, who are working from home, I hope this video will remind you of how it is. And if you see, this is the delight room. So delight room right now only Sai, Satish and other small meeting happens, and yesterday we had this e-learning video recording happening in this room. And that is all, guys. So this is the office that we are right now, and as you can see, it is very empty. Hi, now we have Balu.
Hey, hi.
So how is it, Balu, coming to office in this COVID situation?
Yeah, it's a little risky,
Yeah.
but we have to work. Most of the work I'm doing in the office only. If you work
Oh,
from
great,
home is
great,
there,
great.
not comfortable to do.
Hmm.
If you once office is there, I'm happy to work.
I understood, I understood.
With all employee and I have coordination is there, so many people.
Correct,
That is the
correct.
reason I need to work most of the time in the office only. It's happy to work.
Super. So we have Shiva also, because Shiva wants to confirm that we have checked our temperature and go ahead, sir. Yes. Great. Shiva is just making sure that even though we check, he wants to make sure he is very much aware that everybody is in a constant temperature and not spiking in any and giving any anxieties to the people who are with us. And thank you, Balu.
Yeah.
And you have to say something for the people?
Yeah, I think all the people, please make sure take care yourself and please wear the mask and keep distance 3 feet all the people, and whenever talking make sure give social distance and all those things, and please use all every 20 minutes sanitizer and take care yourself.
We constantly tell people wear mask, keep sanitizing, but that is the new normal. We have to get ourselves
See, previously
prepared.
there's so much less. Now day by day they're increasing more. In Bangalore situation right now is every day 500, 600,000 hardly. Today I think 1,200 yesterday.
Oh, that is very bad to hear,
Yeah,
because
that is the reason.
so
Please
you
make sure take care yourself. I'm saying so.
yes. Adding to Balu, I just would recommend you to keep your kids who are less than 10 years and who
Yeah.
are above 55 years.
Actually,
Don't
my
let them
baby
go
is,
out.
4 years. That's why I'll keep the extension. She will come and ask also. Please keep the extension. I'll say.
Hmm.
I mean,
Great.
I'm going outside so many times, but if you go once home, I need to take care. She.
Understood. Thank you, Balu. Carry on.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Bye.
you.
Hello. So right now we have Shinde walking in. Hey, hi Shinde.
Hi. Morning.
So he's our new full-time batches ka salesperson, and he's going to head the entire full-time batch.
Yes.
MBA.
Yes.
So you want to say something about your work?
Well, work has just started. We're looking at some quick interactions to get the students on board for the full-time MBA batch. And I think I have support from all of you.
Yeah,
Thank you so
we
much.
have. All right, so welcome.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. We'll catch up later. So that is all, guys. So we have Suraj walking in. Yes, now let me show you the entire office strength. As you can see, we have Aditya here, and over there it is Sudarshan, and Balu over there, and over there it is Shinde. And let me take you guys to the rest of the office, and we come to design, and let me show you design who are all there. Hi Saurav. And we have Sai Kuntia over there, and they're all busy. Let us not disturb them. And on the decide part, let me show you who's there. So we have Harsh and Suraj over there. Hi guys.
Hey man.
Carry on. Sorry if I'm disturbing you. And here we have, let me take you guys in. So in our conference room we have Rajesh and Kiran. I hope you guys enjoyed this nostalgic office tour, and before we end this, I just wanted to leave you with a thought saying that it is our responsibility to keep our loved ones, especially the one who are younger than 10-year-old and who are above 55 years old. They have a very less immune power, so we have to keep them in a very hygiene place, always keep a check on our environment, whether did we find anything or someone who comes, a milkman or a grocery delivery guy or anybody who comes, make sure you always keep a safe distance. And what I personally do is whenever we get groceries or anything, I keep them out, or I keep them isolated for like at least 12 hours, and then we consume them. And whenever I go back home, I make sure that I don't touch anything. I straight go to my washroom, soak my clothes in hot water with Dettol for like at least a minute, and then I personally wash them and then try them out. So this COVID has changed our life drastically. So it is very important that we go out with our mindfulness. It is our responsibility, and even I've personally gone through a lot of ups and downs and changes in home and in office, and most importantly, it is very important to always be happy and keep our colleagues and our family members happy. So we are all in this together.